Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable large buttons for the accessibility menu on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings menu. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, you want to tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on installed apps. At the top here, tap on accessibility menu. Then tap on settings. Now in here, you can tap on the large buttons. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If I switch it off, you can see here if I open up the accessibility menu, the buttons are rather small. And if I turn it on, the buttons is now much more larger. And to get to the next menu items, you need to tap on the next button or the back button. You can also swipe back and forth to go to the next menu items. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.